Hey guys.
What's up, y'all? So we doing a little bit of a different angle. We got some soul bowl. So he got a chicken bowl with macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and the rice, which I'm gonna want some because why did I get collard greens thinking it was gonna come in a bigger container than this? Even though it looked good. And the soul rolls, egg rolls, which was supposed to be 2 orders, wasn't it?
Yes, 2 orders.
No.
I said 4. There's 2 orders of that.
They messed up our order.
That's good.
So we have the egg rolls have macaroni and cheese in them, so I'm gonna open it up for y'all to see on the inside.
And yams.
Yeah. Yams. And y'all know when the yams and the mac touch, it's bliss. I'm turning on the stove now. And then before that, I had made a mushroom sando with Puerto Rican bread. Look, y'all. Look at the yams. I wish this came with a sauce. You have to like ask for it. Okay, it's seasoned right. It's light, but I don't know how to explain it. I think it's because of the piece of chicken. It's like baked more than fried.
I could just have this all day.
Right? Like 15 of them. I don't see any no meat in here, but they got the meat taste. You definitely have the meat taste. Let me know down below what's your favorite soul food items or combos.
See y'all.
Make sure y'all drinking y'all water, going for y'all walks when y'all eat y'all fatty foods, eating some greens, eating your avocado, and love your bodies.